Hi everybody, how are you? Well, we got a new adventure going on. So we're in an apartment in the center of Marbella. Today, the first day, is again breaking the walls down. So let me show you which apartment it is and what we're doing at the moment. So here we go. Well, this is an apartment, like I said, it's the center of Marbella. And the first day is literally breaking. It's a very, very small little apartment. You can see the wall of the kitchen has already been broken down because we're going to make an open plan kitchen right here at the entrance of the apartment, and then that all going to be lounge. So I'll show you later on how that's going to work, but like I said, today is breaking day. Going on to here, we have a wardrobe which is going to disappear. We're going to have one bathroom here on the left, and we're going to have a bedroom on the right. And here we're going to build a completely new ensuite bedroom with its bathroom. And you can see it's tiny, but I think we got a really, really cool design for this. And so I'll keep you updated on progress. I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.